The 2003 Jaguar X-Type. The Jaguar X-Type is elegant, comfortable, and fun to drive. It represents a low cost of entry for a Jaguar and for the class. The X-Type gives its owner the distinction of driving a Jag. It also offers the benefits of full-time all-wheel drive. That makes the X-Type a good choice for rain, snow, and ice. And indeed, it feels very secure in those conditions and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.